In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Illustrator Error Code 24 step by step. This is a common issue that appears when installing or updating Adobe Illustrator through the Creative Cloud installer. Usually, this error happens because the installer can't replace or remove certain files on your system. That normally means the files are locked by background Adobe processes, or your system doesn't have the proper permissions to modify them. The good news is that this problem is usually very easy to fix once you know where to look. I'll walk you through several quick solutions that work for most users on both Windows and Mac OS, and then I'll also show some additional fixes specifically for Windows if the problem continues. Make sure to follow each step carefully. And if this tutorial helps you fix the problem, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software fixes and tutorials just like this. Now let's go ahead and fix Illustrator Error Code 24. The first and most effective fix is simply restarting your computer. This might sound basic, but it solves the problem surprisingly often. When Adobe apps run in the background, they can sometimes lock certain files that the Creative Cloud installer needs to replace during installation or updates. If those files are locked, the installer throws Error Code 24. Restarting your computer closes all background Adobe services and releases any locked files. So go ahead and save your work, restart your computer, and once your system turns back on, try running the Illustrator installer again through Adobe Creative Cloud. In many cases, this alone fixes the problem. If the error still appears, the next step is to run the installer with administrator permissions. Sometimes the installer cannot modify system folders because it does not have the required privileges. On Windows, locate the Illustrator installer or the Creative Cloud setup file, right-click it, and select Run as Administrator. This allows the installer to access protected system directories and replace the necessary files. If you're using Mac OS, make sure you are logged in with an administrator account before running the installation. Then try installing or updating Illustrator again and see if the error disappears. Another possible cause of Error Code 24 is security software blocking the installer. Antivirus programs or firewalls can sometimes prevent installers from modifying system folders because they detect the activity as suspicious. Temporarily disabling your antivirus or firewall can help determine if that's the cause. Turn off the security software temporarily, run the illustration installation again, and check if it completes successfully. If it works, you can turn your antivirus protection back on afterward. Just remember this step is temporary and only used during installation. Now, if you are using Windows and the problem still continues, there are a couple of additional fixes you should try. First, if you are installing Illustrator from an ISO disk image, do not run the installer directly from the mounted virtual drive. Instead, extract the entire ISO file to your hard drive using a tool like WinRAR or 7-zip. Once all the files are extracted to a normal folder, run the setup file from there. Running installers directly from ISO mounts can sometimes cause permission conflicts that trigger Error Code 24. Another Windows solution is manually clearing old Adobe folders that might be interfering with the installation. Sometimes a previous incomplete installation leaves files behind that block new installations. To fix this, open File Explorer and navigate to these folders. First go to C Drive, then Program Files, and look for a folder named Adobe. If there are leftover files from older installations, you can rename or delete the folder. Next, go to Program Files x86, open Common Files, and locate the Adobe folder there as well. Finally, navigate to Program Data and find the Adobe folder. Removing or renaming these folders can eliminate conflicts from previous installations. After doing this, restart your computer again and then try installing Illustrator through Creative Cloud once more. And that's how you fix Illustrator Error Code 24. In most cases, simply restarting your computer or running the installer as an administrator solves the issue. But if not, the additional Windows fixes should help resolve any leftover installation conflicts. If this video helped you fix the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.